I'm fine. Thank you.
JR, ako to. Alala mo ba? Yung lagi mong kachat dati tungkol sa dad mo.
You must think that I'm such a loser now.
Bakit naman?
Naloko na naman yata ako, Cha.
Kaya nagalit si Sir Leandro. Pareho lang tayo, di ba? Mga anak na nagkakamali. Nag-disappoint yung parents. Naloloko ng iba. Kaya anong nakakaya dun?
I just wanted him to be proud of me. That's why nakipag-deal ako with this Jackie person. I didn't know na shady yung company niya. And now I have to make this report proving na wala akong alam sa mga deals niya.
Just make sure that she's not in any illegal activities, lalo na alam na natin that she's actually involved in our company.
Yes, ma'am. Update ko po kayo agad.
Okay, so I'll be hearing from you.
Excuse me.
Thank you.
Ma,
Hi.
what was that all about?
A private investigator. Di ba, gusto ni LBS na malaman kung sino yung taong bumibili ng mga properties kung saan nandun yung mga coffee shops na nagsara. So we hired him, and now we know it's a woman. Some Jackie Bartolome.
And? What's the connection to Legacy?
JR's R&D expense report.
JR.
Yes. So there were questions about it. And we asked JR, and he said that he funded a research project that he sold to International Coffee Cooperative.
Well, I'm sure ginawa mo lang yun para sa daddy mo. Pati alam ko kung gaano ka-importante sa'yo yung approval ni Sir Leandro.
I'll never be perfect in his eyes. Or yours.
May talent dito, ah. Kapagod kaya?
Kung may work pa ako after this,
Exaj, ikaw kaya tagapagmana. Dali, patingin, tapos ka na? I'll help you. Break ko naman.
Nagalit si Tito kay JR.
Of course. It doesn't look good na may record si JR ng dealings with them. So we want to ensure that this person isn't involved in any illegal practices. Especially that the Legacy Cafe's anniversary is coming up. We can't have a scandal.
Yeah, but Ma, you know JR. He probably doesn't even know who this girl is. No, I'm gonna call LVS and I'm gonna explain everything to him.
Leave LVS out of this for now. This is too much for him.
It's too much for JR too. I have to go.